Oh man, have you ever seen a beautiful steak like that? It's got that green stuff on it. What is that green stuff? Well, it's called chimichurri. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, you're going to peel off your garlic, smash it with a knife, and remove that paper. Now, you can mince it with a knife, but here I've got a garlic press, and it's got those little holes on the bottom, so all you do is squeeze your garlic through there, and the garlic comes out minced. It's super easy. You can do this too. I bought this thing for probably less than $5, and now you've got your garlic. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to take your parsley. This is flat leaf parsley. I like to fold it over like that. Use the stems, use it all. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut it. We're going to chop, 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 chop. You're going to be chopping for a while. But if you do it by hand, the texture of it comes out so much better than if you tried to use like a blender or something. You can use a food processor, but let me tell you, doing it by hand really gives you the texture that you want, because you get pieces of parsley, not like a parsley paste. A parsley paste is kind of gummy and doesn't quite taste as good as if you just take the time. It's a couple of minutes, work on your knife skills, and just take that pile of parsley and chop through it and keep chopping. And whenever you think that you've got it chopped fine enough, keep on chopping. Look at this technique here. You just chop, 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 chop. Now watch your fingers, but I'm going to tell you, fold it over and keep on chopping. That's the secret to a delicious, flavorful chimichurri. Do it by hand. It tastes better. Put some love in your cooking. You want people to like your food? Start with the #1 ingredient called love. See how that parsley is just getting kind of smaller and smaller and smaller. This is all done by hand, folks.
I'm gonna pick this up and put it in the bowl.
So now that we've got it all chopped up, we're gonna throw it in the bowl with that garlic. Now you're gonna want to season it with salt. This is a Himalayan pink salt. We've got some pepper. We've got some olive oil. What I poured in from the bowl is a red wine vinegar. You can do red wine vinegar, you can do some apple cider vinegar, whichever one you choose. You could do a white wine vinegar. And then you want to kind of make it, you want to add enough oil so that it becomes a sauce. Stir it, stir it, stir it. And there you have it, guys. Chimichurri. Now you can add red pepper flakes, you can add jalapenos, you can add some other stuff. But put this on your steaks, on your chicken, on your vegetables. It is delicious. It's even really good with a little bit of lemon zest in there. I hope you get a chance to make this soon. We'll see you here at the Chef's Backyard.